Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product review. In today's video we are going to review the Chheda Mix Farsan. This is a Mix Farsan which is a eatable from Chheda, which is the brand here, Chhedas. Today we are going to review this Mix Farsan as to see how good is the quality of Chheda's Mix Farsan, how does it taste. We are going to do a taste test and we are going to tell you how good this product is and more info about the product. So stay tuned for it. So guys, this is the Chheda's Mix Farsan, and first things first, let's look at the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a plastic bag here, and this has a airtight bag. And first thing that we can see here is the Chheda's branding. This is Chheda's branding. It's a company which is into namkeens and farsan and eatables, ready to eat eatables. And this is a Mix Farsan from Chheda. So Mix Farsan is mix of gram flour, fried noodles, peanuts, gram ball and various spices. Again, there's a Chheda's trademark here. Chheda's always a bite better. That is the tagline. This is an Indian traditional snack. So here is the logo of the Indian traditional snack. This is a product of India. And here's the illustration of the farsan. This is what the farsan looks like. So you can see fried gram noodles, fried gram balls and peanuts and various spices which are added. And coming to the back side of the product, here we can see the ingredients, and the ingredients are gram flour, palm oil, Bengal gram, edible starch, red chili powder, bishop's weed, curry leaves and salt. So these are the ingredients, like very basic ingredients in there. And then they have ingredients written in French and in Urdu. Coming to the allergy advice, manufactured in a facility that processes peanuts, tree nuts, milk, wheat, soy and sesame. So if you have nut allergy or you are lactose intolerant, then please take your doctor's advice before trying out the Chheda's Farsan. Coming below, they have given their customer care number. Like if you have any issues with the product, you can always dial the customer care number given here. And coming to the net weight of the product, this is a 500 gram pack. The net weight of this packet is 500 gram, and the price of this product is rupees 150. So the Chheda's Mix Farsan, Chheda's Mix Farsan, for 500 gram it is priced at rupees 150. And the shelf life of this product is 6 months from manufacturing date. So pretty good shelf life for the product from Chheda. Coming on the right hand side, we have the Nutritional Facts and amount per serving, which is a 70 gram serving of the Chheda's Mix Farsan, packs in 420 calories, and calories that come from fat are 270. So quite fat heavy product this is. It has a total of 30 grams of fat in 70 grams, which is almost 40% of fat. So 40% fat, of which saturated fats are 13 grams, trans fats are 0, cholesterol is 0. So there's 0 cholesterol, 0 trans fat in this, but there's a lot of unsaturated and saturated fat in it. Moving on to the nutrition information for UK, there's separate, there is US separate, there's UK separate, and Australia they have given separate. It is all nutritional information itself, but for different countries they are mentioned. And what we have here is the address of the manufacturing unit is given here. The address of the manufacturing unit is given here, and the FSSAI license number is here. So yeah, and it's a Make in India. Swachh Bharat logo is here. For some reason they have a Swachh Bharat logo on the packet here. And it says keep your city clean. And this is suitable for vegetarians. It has a vegetarian mark here as well. They shown that you should throw the wrappers in a dustbin. So very important. After eating, make sure you throw the wrapper in the dustbin and do not litter your city. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. Let's open the farsan. Let's see how it looks first of all. So here we go. We are going to tear it open and have a look at the farsan. So let's open the packet here. And here we go. I'm just tearing it open. And let's have a look at the farsan inside. So guys, this is the Chheda's Farsan here, and this is what it is. And right now let's go ahead and do a taste test to see how does the Chheda's Farsan taste. So I have a handful of farsan in my hand, and here I'm going to do a taste test. Quite fresh and quite nice to taste. Like, it's quite fresh. I didn't expect it to be so fresh, and it's quite tasty and yummy. A good snack for tea time, or anytime you want to enjoy something. It's a good snack to have. So overall, I would rate Chheda's Farsan a 4 out of 5. It loses a point just because of the pricing. It's priced a bit on the higher side of rupees 150 for half kg. But otherwise, this Chheda's Farsan is good to go. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such product reviews.